Hello, my name is Vimbai. I'm an occupational therapist. I'll be your instructor for the course Fall Prevention for Older Adults. I'll tell you a little bit about myself. I am originally from Zimbabwe. I live in Indiana. I have worked with older adults in different settings, in home health, in skilled nursing facilities, independent living, and memory care units. I have 20 years experience working with the older adult population. This course will allow you to contribute to fall prevention as a healthcare provider. You'll be able to explain the benefits of fall prevention, and you'll be able to identify factors that contribute to falls in older adults. The course has 8 units. In Unit 5, there will be a Zoom meeting. This meeting is not compulsory. I will record it and I will post it under resources in your Blackboard. All units are related, so it is important that you do the units in order. You will also use evidence-based practice to create your final project on fall prevention. The syllabus can be found on Blackboard. There is a tab for it on the left-hand side. Tabs for blogs, journals, and discussion board are also found on the left-hand side in your Blackboard. Office hours are available by appointment. You can email me to request for office hours. Feel free to contact me via email. And if you do not understand your assignments, I prefer that you email for clarification versus getting the instructions wrong. And if there are questions that all the other students can benefit from, you can post those questions under the general discussion. My response time for emails are 24 to 48 hours. For this course, we will use APA 7th edition. There are resources in the Writing Center that you can use to make sure you are complying with the APA 7th edition writing style. You can also make an appointment with the Writing Center. Please do not hesitate to call me, to contact me in case of an emergency. I know life happens. Sometimes you have a death in the family or you have a sick child, and we can discuss extension of your assignment deadline. I look forward to working with you. Thank you.